Take a look at your phone. Go ahead, pick it up. Honestly, how many of the apps do you see that you've used in a week, maybe even a month? Some social media, bank apps, our news app, and a couple of utility apps maybe. The rest, they just sit there taking up space. They're also running in the background, draining your battery. Some even track where you go and what websites you visit. And a lot of apps you only need once. Yeah, instead of filling up your smartphone with apps you barely ever use, there is a better way. You can turn almost any website into an app. On an iPhone, open the website using Safari or Google Chrome. We're going to use our Waze for TSA website, delays.com. It doesn't have an app at all, it's just a website. But tap the share button and choose Add to Home Screen. It's same on an Android phone. Tap Menu and Add to Home Screen. That's it. You'll find a new app on your home screen that opens the website. Why would you want to do it this way? Well, it doesn't take up storage space. It doesn't run in the background. It doesn't track you, and you never have to deal with updates. It's good for things you don't use every day, like airlines and restaurants or recipe apps. It's also good for websites you visit that don't have apps. Just tap Share and Add to Home Screen. So go through your apps, see which ones are using a lot of battery or that tracks you, and then try the website as an app. And if it works just fine, use it and delete the app. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.